Most men give weak compliments that women forget in 30 seconds, but say the right three, and she will be lying in bed, replaying your words on a loop, imagining you, desiring you, needing your presence. These are not cheesy lines. These are psychological triggers used by stoic, emotionally grounded men who command attention without chasing. Part 1. Why most compliments make you look weak. Let us start with the hard truth. Most men compliment women from a place of lack. They say things like, You are so beautiful. You are amazing. You are perfect. Sounds nice, right? Wrong. These compliments are generic, desperate, and worst of all, they put her above you. And when you pedestalize a woman with your words, she might smile, but deep down, she loses a bit of attraction because you have just revealed something. You are trying to win her. You are seeking approval. That is not masculine. That is not stoic. And it is definitely not seductive. A woman wants to be seen, not praised. Like a goddess, she wants to feel like you are the prize and your attention is earned, not given freely to every woman who wears mascara. Stoic power tip. Marcus Aurelius never begged to be understood. He observed he spoke less but with more weight. Be the man whose compliment feels like a reward, not a strategy. Actionable advice. Before you give any compliment, ask yourself, am I giving this because I admire her or because I want her to like me? Only one answer keeps you attractive. Part 2, compliment number 1. There is something dark in your eyes. I like it. This is not about her makeup. This is psychological seduction. By saying this, you are not flattering her. You are reading her. You are speaking to her inner world, not just her appearance. Why does it work? Because it is unexpected. It implies depth. It flips the power. Now she wonders what you see in her. It is the kind of line that makes her curious, makes her think about you when she is alone, because it does not just compliment her. It plants a seed in her imagination. And imagination is the gateway to desire. Stoic insight. A stoic man speaks with precision. Not too often, not too emotionally, but when he speaks, his words cut deeper than flattery ever could. Practical usage. Say it in a low, calm voice. Look into her eyes. Deliver it. Then stay silent. Let her sit with the mystery. Part 3. Compliment number 2. You feel dangerous. I like women who know their power. This one is magnetic because it appeals to her feminine shadow. Most women hide their seductive nature behind social masks, but when you acknowledge it without judgment, you liberate her. You are not praising her looks. You are showing her that you see the wild, intuitive, sensual force behind her eyes. You are giving her permission to be fully feminine around you. Here is the secret. The feminine wants to be seen by a masculine man who is not afraid of her energy. This compliment makes her feel powerful, but not above you. It tells her you are dangerous, but I am not afraid. In fact, I like it that flips the script. Now you become the one she tries to impress. Stoic insight. True masculinity is not about controlling women. It is about containing energy without being consumed. This compliment shows you can hold space for her chaos, practical usage. Use this when she is teasing, playing, or challenging you. It turns her fire into fascination. Part 4, compliment number 3. You feel safe around me. Do not you say it like a statement, not a question. This one is subtle but devastatingly effective. Most men try to prove they are safe, but the stoic man assumes it. He projects it. This line creates intimacy. It tells her, you are not just another guy. You are tuned in to the emotional undercurrent. Why it works? It reframes you as the leader of the interaction. It builds trust without trying. It gives her an emotional anchor. Safety is the doorway to surrender, and a woman only surrenders to a man she feels emotionally claimed by. You are not asking for approval. You are showing her you already know the impact you're having on her. Conclusion. Compliment like a stoic alpha. Forget the cliches. Forget the you are so pretty nonsense. If you want her to fantasize about you, if you want her mind spinning at night, replaying your words, then stop complimenting her like a boy. Speak like a man from calm, from presence, from emotional leadership. These three compliments are not lines, they are frames. Frames that position you as a high value, grounded, stoic, masculine force she cannot ignore. No more weak compliments. If this video gave you real psychological game like it, subscribe to Psychology 360 for weekly content on emotional mastery, masculine energy, and seduction with stoic presence, and share this with a man who needs to upgrade his words and his frame. Now, let me expand this further so you not only understand the power of these words, but also why they have such an impact. The human mind responds more to what is rare than to what is common. Women hear the same shallow lines every day online, in person, and through social media. That makes ordinary praise meaningless. It loses value. But when a man uses words rooted in presence, in calmness, in masculine restraint, she feels something different. It cuts through the noise. It reaches her subconscious where attraction is truly built. That is why you must learn to speak with intent rather than impulse. Compliments that come from grounded strength create imagination, tension, and desire. When you use the first compliment about the darkness in her eyes, you awaken mystery. Mystery is the oxygen of attraction. When you use the second, about her danger, you awaken her feminine shadow, which she secretly craves to express without fear of judgment. And when you use the third, about her safety, you awaken trust, which is the foundation of surrender. These three together create a powerful circle of attraction, mystery, desire, and emotional safety. That is the formula that turns a casual interaction into something unforgettable. Remember, Stoicism is not silence. Stoicism is precision. It is the art of removing what is unnecessary and keeping what carries weight. And in male female dynamics, the man who speaks with fewer but deeper words becomes unforgettable. The man who speaks like everyone else is forgotten in minutes. That is why most men fade into the background while a few men linger in a woman's thoughts for years. So understand the psychology. 360 is not about tricks. It is not about manipulation. It is about mastery. Mastery of yourself, of your words, of your presence. Because when you master those, you no longer chase attraction. Attraction chases you. Women are drawn to the man who does not need them, but chooses them from strength, not lack. This is the essence of stoic attraction.